Hey guys, whoever's watching this, this is Monday, July 31st. Something really cool is happening, so I'm going to take a webcam photo, a video, and then I'm going to walk it outside. But I'm not going to spoil it, so just come with me. Okay. 1 second. And, yes, this is at midnight, but, it just struck me as amazing, and so I have to show you. This is mostly for you, Dad, so. I know it's probably not the great of quality that I can see, but it's beautiful. It's non-stop lightning that's the northwest over Pewaukee Lake, and the southwest. That's just so cool. I would try to show you it all, but I really can't just capture it with this video. And we don't have a better video camera to do it with. Earlier tonight, this was happening at about 10 o'clock, even maybe 9:30. And I was sitting on the couch and I looked out and I said, "Oh, who's launching fireworks?" I walked out and it's almost noiseless. You can hear a little rumble off in the distance, but it's just incredible. I mean, it's just everywhere. It's surrounding us pretty much everywhere but to the south. It's just amazing. Never seen anything like it. And the funny thing is, it's just staying up in the clouds. It's not even coming down and hitting the ground. That's probably why we can't really hear it as much, because it's just sitting up in the clouds. Oh, that's just incredible. I don't know what is causing this, but it is really cool. And Dad, I know you're gonna like this especially because you love thunder. I mean lightning. Both. But you can't really hear the thunder at all. That's the weird part. It's still going on down over in the south over there. Over the tree line there. But it's majorly coming from the northwest. So, from what? No idea. Oh man. That's just so cool. It's just lighting up the sky like bright lights. It is a little humid out though right now. But I mean, I don't know if this means rain or, I have no idea what this means. But it's just really cool. And it's not even above us if you look straight up. It's just black. And it's just so bright, some of it, like, it'll blind you for a second, but it's so cool. You just continue looking back. Oh my goodness. Getting real busy right straight north of us. Wow. That's incredible. It's so bright one second, and the next second it's pitch black. It's so beautiful. Now you're starting to hear a little more of the thunder. Wow, that's just incredible. It just lights up the sky. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. It does seem like it is moving east rather than south, but I just have no idea what is causing this. But whatever it is, it's beautiful and it's incredible. That's crazy. I wish I could show this from a 360-degree angle so you could just see how north of us and south of us is just lit up, and east and west is just pitch black, except for when the thunder and the lightning comes. Wow, that's just incredible. This is almost just like a fireworks show. Non-stop. It's not like a normal thunderstorm because it just keeps coming. It's back, and back, and there's really no break in it. Whereas most thunder, you'll have a couple of seconds, maybe a minute or two or a few minutes, and then it'll strike again. It's just non-stop. Something's going on up there. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to wrap this up at just about 10 minutes. This was really cool. It kind of struck me as amazing, and thanks for watching.